Well, welcome back. Today we're going to do the wrong thing the right way, however you want to call it. Definitely not the right way, but it's the way we're going about it. Well, at least the way I'm going about it. As you can see, bumper cover, headlight, which is not the HID one. It's a regular halogen, but we're going to try to modify it. Strut, it's not off a GT. Bumper, radiator support, all that happy-go-lucky crap. Axle, none of it's new. All of it came from the junkyard. We're going to see what we can accomplish here, but like I said, we're going to do the right thing the wrong way. Or the wrong thing the wrong way. One of the ways. I don't know, something like that. I mean, in reality, this should be put on a frame machine, which I have it on my own frame machine, which is my trailer. So I'm going to put it together. Hopefully get it where I can drive it off of the trailer and get it to the front of the barn. And then try to piece it back together the best I can with what I got, what I can do, what I know how to do. A whole lot of zip ties. I see a bunch of zip ties underneath. Oh, it ain't gonna be perfect, but it's gonna have to work. So I'd really like to get it off of the trailer, get this together, at least the suspension. First, the steering arm's bent. Oh, stay down there. I don't care. Yeah. Okay, and you got a little bend right there. Do not do this at home. This is not the right way to do it, because I'm an idiot. And I need to get it off the trailer. Oh, that alignment's going to be way out. I think I'm going to get a rag here. I want to wipe. Them yard pimps be fighting over there. What's left of it. There we go. Yard pimp's half retarded, goes after the ducks. Shows you the intelligence level there. So two of them got to go. I don't know if you've ever seen this, but the strut for this, I know you see the two bolts here. That's not what holds it in. It's got these clips. And this thing, strut comes up, clip goes around the collar. That's what holds your strut in on this. I know they sell tools for this stuff. Naturally, I ain't got the tools. There's one side. Unless I can just bite it enough. There we go. That's on. There we go. Well, I know you go in there. Too toasty. I'll lose a coat. I wonder if that's pinching down because of the jack stand I got underneath. Yeah. Yeah, it sucks. You gotta put it back together like this, nice and cheap. Junkyards ain't as cheap as they used to be. I don't know what's going on there. Greed, I guess. I'm gonna have to rip it all back apart anyway. Let's try this one. This one looks like a winner. Winner chicken dinner. Them yard pimps don't quit acting up. They're gonna be chicken dinner. Yeah. I'm giving her all she got, Captain. Tell you what, I might get a piece of sandpaper, maybe some spray, because those spots were a little rough to get off at the junkyard. I mean, I'm just saying. The old W. The old W. Hit the old W. Baloo. Spill some on the trailer. That way I can slip and fall off of it later. Come on. Yeah, this hub assembly, new it was like $500 some. And that's through the cheap places. Half a tip for the day. You have an old torsion bar that's broke, you can use it as a pry bar. Oh man. I'm gonna have to take it right back out. I wasn't thinking. I didn't slip the axle. Son of a bitch. It didn't dawn on me when I was sitting there saying, ooh, the axle's in my way. Why you guys didn't tell me? You should have said something. Ouch. There's a caliper there. Okay, now let's try this again here. As you can see, I pulled the radiator and stuff off. This decided not to record for me, which is fine, I guess. I gotta live with it. I guess I gotta get that out, huh? Guess I'm gonna see if these are the nuts. They hold it on so I can get it in place. I still got some smacking around to do to straighten some stuff out, but for the most part, it's close to where it needs to be.